OPHIUCHUS. This is your channel messages for the 28th of May. OPHIUCHUS, let us start the reading off with some very, very great news. OPHIUCHUS, oh my God. So first of all, Mark Carney, Mr. Carney, we believed in you ever since we saw you. We believed in you. Mark Carney officially addressed the House of Commons, okay, taking his place as the Premier. Is it du Canada or de Canada? As the Prime Minister of Canada, taking over from Justin Trudeau. All right. And it was a big surprise to see both King Charles, Queen Camilla. They were in Ottawa. A lot of people don't know that the capital of Canada is not Toronto. The capital of Canada is Ottawa. Okay? Do your geography? No. Geological. You need to know this, okay? Anyways, King Charles came to address Mr. Mark Carney. And you want to see him walk straight up to the people and shake them hand. You know how royal he is? You know how expensive that man's time is? The people of Canada, the people of Ottawa was very welcoming. They were very happy. I heard the people talking about, listen, if the king wants our maple, I hear a girl saying, listen, if the king wants our maple syrup, then he has to get the maple syrup. Exactly. The people of Ottawa was so, it was so wonderful. It was so royal, so exclusive, right? King Charles was very, very friendly. And the people of Ottawa there were normal commoners, not knowing that because they showed up, just saying hi to Mark Carney, them never know, say, the king, not the king of dancehall, the monarch was there. He walked right up to the people and shake them hands. And he wants the CIA. People are shaking him just to act normal. He was more friendlier than the Pope. So King Charles, we are blessed to have your presence here in Canada as the monarch of Canada. And we are very happy that you showed up for Mark Carney's inauguration. Is that what we call it? I also saw Mark Carney addressing the House of Commons. Everybody in there happy. Them give him a big standing ovation. Them a clap. Them everybody in the house happy. You can see them face. Me not say anybody who look like this. Me not say anybody who was like this. The whole of them happy. Like they are very, very proud of the choice that the Canadian people made. So Mark Carney, we just hope that you serve the country well, sir. This is your time to start over the I'm sorry, I was watching this. It's your time to start over the whole reputation of what it is to be a liberal. And of course, a liberal may be blamed for certain things in the past. This is your time now to kind of reinvent the wheel, okay? But a lot of people, everybody was happy in the house. Everybody is genuine smiles, right? Especially the king came out. The king came out. Can you imagine this? It was great. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. OPHIUCHUS, your channel message is the 9 of Swords, the Lovers card, Virgo. So the Lovers card rules Mercury, Virgo rules Mercury. The 9 of Swords is regret. It could also be insomnia or nightmares. So I'm getting OPHIUCHUS. There's something about me getting ahead. I don't know if your head I play tricks on you. I feel like you're out in public and you think you're seeing somebody and you have to take a double look. You have to look 2 times to be like, am I seeing stuff? Like you're seeing somebody everywhere. Maybe you're smelling them. Now the 9 of Swords, the Lovers card could also talk about you regret not giving somebody a better chance. I'm getting you never gave somebody a fair chance at love. I'm getting you were very judgmental. You criticize them. Maybe you're very health conscious. So, you know, you wanted the person you're with to be health conscious too. Maybe they were divulging in things that did not look good on their health. Okay, well, fucking 2 bitches at the same time is not good for your health either. You should know that. Anyways, I'm getting you feel very regretful of this past experience. Maybe you feel regretful as to listening to a Gemini or listening to a Virgo when it comes on to your health. Yeah. And I'm getting, if you're a man and you don't, I'm getting you don't grow here, you can't grow here, it's for a reason. You need to know that. So be mindful when you go around pointing the finger as to who is not morally right. You can't grow here out of your head. You need to know that it's a reason why. It's a reason why you're bald-headed. And we're not talking about bald-headed meaning OPHIUCHUS, which is the healer. It's a reason why your temple don't produce hair. First of all, the crown chakra block. That's your first problem. At least OPHIUCHUS old. Him have a reason for not have hair. You're young, you're middle age. Why you not here? You're too fucking bad mind or you're too judgmental. Your crown chakra is blocked. That's why you can't produce no hair out of your fucking head. So before you go around and point the finger or tell somebody your lifestyle isn't up to par, you need to wonder why you can't grow fucking hair out of your head. You have hair everywhere else. You have hair upon your balls, you have hair upon your face, you have hair under your arm, but you can't grow none out of your head where it's supposed to be grown. You look exactly like how you looked when you came out of your mother's vagina with no hair. You don't think that's a reason? You don't think it's a reason why when you're a baby you don't have hair and now you're middle age you don't have hair either? Stop bad mind people. Stop growing and act like you're God. Because Jesus Christ had he had a 26-inch busted down. You need to know that. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. OPHIUCHUS. First card out is the Four of Cups. Okay, so I'm getting you don't want it, okay? Maybe you're scared if you offer somebody. Maybe you're scared if you spin the block, somebody will reject you. Maybe you have apologized 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So what the fuck the fifth apology going to do? Because I'm getting someone saying I don't want it. It's rejection. That's the Four of Cups, okay? We're getting you may have feel sorry for rejecting something that you never understood. But you did it because you thought you were holy and you were righteous. Okay. Jesus Christ thought he was holy and righteous, but he died in front of his mother. We also have the 10 of Pentacles, a lot of money. Okay. Maybe that's the only way you can up the sorry. You have to pay it with a lot of money. No, maybe you're trying to give somebody a lot of money, but they won't accept it. Why? Maybe you're telling a lie that you gave somebody money and they said no. Perhaps you were supposed to give somebody money and you never do it. You try to scam them or you try to one-up them. You were supposed to give somebody $1,000 and you gave them 100. I know everybody asks, you never give them the money? They said they didn't want it. No, you never gave it to them. I know you try to save your ass. Why would somebody reject the 10 of Pentacles? Unless in order for them to get the money, they have to do something you want them to do. Because the Four of Cups lead to the Five of Cups. The Five of Cups is disappointment. It is cheating. It can be infidelity. Maybe you're the type of person, if your partner cheats on you, but he buys you gifts, you'll accept him. You a dumb hoe, and I'm not taking it back. I would never in my life be with a man today, him cheat upon me tomorrow, and the next day I forgive him. Never. That's one thing I can't say about me. You can't say a lot of things about me. You can't say this bitch was homeless. You can't say this bitch poor, this bitch broke. You can't say all of these things about me. You can't say me ever take back a cheater. You can't say that about me. I will die with that reputation. We have to say, yeah, you can't say that about me. You can't say anything else about me. That is one thing you can't say about me. You can't say I stay with a man who fuck on me. You can't say I give a man who fuck on me a second chance. That is not one thing you can't say about me. You can't say anything else. We have a 7 of Wands. Yeah. I'm getting you didn't give somebody it. Because maybe somebody stopped talking to you and then you want to message them. Do you need help? And then when them say yes, and you come over them house, you want to argue. And then someone's like, you know what, never mind. You know what, just leave. And you're like, I'm trying to give you money. Yeah, but you won't make them throw shit in them face. Somebody won't make you throw shit in them face for the money. I ain't like it. You can't just give them the money and go about your fucking business. You want to argue. You want somebody submissive and say, you know what, you were right and I was wrong. No, me can't get the money, please. The fuck out of here. The devil. Yeah, you know what the fuckery you're doing. You know what you're doing. Come and getting every time, yeah, say, I'm trying to help them. I'm trying to give them the money. No, you're not. No, you're not. That's why them not take the money from you. Them know say come with a lot of shit. It's not that I don't want the money. I just don't want the person that the money is coming from. So if you could give me the money and leave, that would be great. No. Them want to come in your place, come in your space. You want them to argue. You have to go back and forth. So that eventually them just leave. The devil card. You know, say I get play with. One more. I have the yeah. Literally. Them want to be a devil to you and then them are going to leave. They're going to leave. And say, oh, I try to help her, but you don't want help. No. She not make you treat her like garbage. She not make you so-called get your way. Because you seem like you're used to bitches who make you get your way because you have money. Well, you find the right one for make you know that your money don't mean. Your money is not good here. Even if she's homeless, your money is not good here. She'd rather be homeless and respected. She'd rather be broke and respected than with money dealing with a fucking narcissist. And you're mad because the bitches you're used to, you can't buy them forgiveness. You can't buy them love. You can't buy she. The Four of Cups is clarified by the Three of Wands, yeah. And what are you going to do? Oh, you're going to write a letter. Oh, you're writing a letter. Okay. So you're going to write a letter to express how much you're sorry, but you're still a fucking asshole in person. So maybe you should shut the fuck up and just write. Because when you write, it seems like you're very peaceful. As soon as you open your fucking mouth, you're gone to hell. The Ten of Pentacles is clarified by the Lover's card, yeah. I'm trying to help her. No. You're going to come back in. You're going to argue with her. And the only way you're going to give her the money is if she have sex with you. That's the only way you're going to give her the money. Somebody tell you, say, go to this place, drop off this envelope and give her. You went to this place and you harass her for pussy. And depending upon if she give you the pussy or not, you give her money. Because I don't see why, I don't see why somebody would have reject the Ten of Pentacles unless you ask them for sex. And when you're done, get sex from them and give them money, you go back to your friend and go tell your friend them say she's a prostitute. Okay, but you were told to give her the money. You weren't told to go there go fuck her and then give her the money. So that's the narrative you try to push. You try to trick, it's a trick. You try to trick somebody. Me getting somebody give you orders to drop off something somewhere. You want pussy from them. The Seven of Wands is clarified by the Emperor. Did the Emperor tell you? Because me getting is supposed to be caring for somebody. You're supposed to be helping them. You're not help them unless them give you pussy. See the Emperor here? Because you get your way with everybody. Because you the Emperor and you got money and everybody respect you. Yeah, your employees respect you. Them have to, they're paid to. And one day when the employees tired of your shit, they're going to tell you to fuck off and leave. The Devil card is clarified by the Ten of, yeah, literally. When them tired of your shit, they're going to leave. When they're tired, they're going to leave. And that's what you want. You want somebody irritated. You want somebody energy. And after you cuss them, you have makeup sex. Those are toxic men. They love have sex when you cry. They love have sex right after argument. They love having makeup sex. Why you never have I miss you sex? Why you never have I haven't seen you in 1 week sex? You want to have makeup sex after argument. Because I saw your dick stand up. The Eight of Cups is clarified by the Queen of, yeah. When we getting you're dealing with an intelligent woman. That's why you can't get your way. And intelligent women know that usually the number one thing that man control it with is money. When they want see them use money, when they want you're used to the girls them who will just be like, I'm sorry for my terrible behavior. Can I have some money, please? You're used to those bitches. That's your problem. Nine of Swords did not come out. Lovers didn't come out, and Virgo didn't come out. So OPHIUCHUS, which is the healer, yeah, you're noticing a pattern. The pattern is you argue, then somebody come back and tell you why you wrong, and then if you If you admit say you were wrong, even though you weren't wrong in your situation, you will get money, you'll get help. But if you don't admit that you're wrong, if you want to be right, you get no money. Oh yeah, and you have we have secret society. We have Thursday. We have Pluto. Pluto rules Scorpio. We have Cancer. And we also have Sagittarius. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye. Oh, I have to make... That's my... Bye.